All right. Look how big this place looks. But it will not be long, and this mojo will be full. So, only a few came in last night. Nobody's here to let us in yet. But as soon as they do, we're going to pile in. All right, stick around. All right, setup day. It looks like a crazy mess, but I tell you what, they get these trailers in here, they get us all unloaded, and they get us out. It's pouring down rain all morning outside, and look at the floor. They have a system set up over there. They let you drip dry a little bit, come through, and it dries up, and it's pretty good. But she's filling up now. And thank goodness for good drivers. That's all I can say, right? This corner is starting to fill up nicely. We're set up over there. I'll swing by and show you that. Gonna be a good show. All right, guys, here we are at Motorama for setup day. I didn't sleep at all last night. Excitement. I slept a good 4 hours, possibly on and off all night. But anyway, we're all set up. They're rolling in now. Cars on that end, cars on that end, trailers coming and going. Yeah, it's a very well orchestrated event, but it's about to go down. You've all seen this one before. I'm not sure if we got a best in show winner at this one or not. We'll find out. Al Lieberman. Yeah, that one has won before. Beautiful car, beautiful car. A couple of really nice cars. This is a nice Cobra here. Got this Camaro, is nice, but you got Lewis's Camaro. Always beautiful cars. Lewis right there. Beautiful cars. Nice, nice. And look at this beauty right here. Jeez. Freaking awesome. Yeah, pretty Chevelle tucked back in the corner over here. You guys seen these before, them little zingers? That's pretty slick. Nice Ford truck. That's been on the channel a couple of times. Ross is 69. Been here a few times. Beautiful car. Ryan 69. We still got a couple undercover. Show doesn't officially start till tomorrow, so this is kickoff day. So today is setup and clean day. Like I say, it's one of my favorite times. Right, yeah. Scrub-a-dub-dub. 34. Saw them rolling in. Mustang, saw them rolling in. Monte Carlo with them NASCAR slicks on them. Yeah, he had a hard time getting in on that mat. It kept on wanting to roll it up because those tires grip. You can hear it, but they did a good job. Right there, buddy. Beautiful. Here's another one. We'll take a better look at this one in a little bit. All right, we got everything unloaded. Now we're gonna run the truck and trailers up to the parking lot, where they have truck and trailer parking for the weekend, and that way we don't have to tow the trailers back and forth home. So we're heading on up the road. I was just speaking with this gentleman. He bought this at Barrett Jackson. It's a 3-year build out of California. Absolutely amazing build. Beautiful car. Nice. And a nice guy to boot, so well deserved too. Alright, I'm gonna let him get it cleaned up. Look at that high-end truck right there. That's some big old money right there. This thing came in, and it is a freaking beast. I mean, it's a beast. So we'll try to look at that one tomorrow once the hood's up. We've got the caddy. You know, they're quick as hell. Slick on the back. The cool thing about this show is you get everything here. So we'll see if we can get some more of this tomorrow. So it's so quiet in here right now. Tomorrow this place will be packed. So we're gonna go look at some of the other stuff on the other side. They're probably setting up over here for all the other activities. So we'll check it out. Welcome to Motorama Races and Shows. This is the RC section. I don't know if this is qualifying, but technically the show don't start till tomorrow. So I'm not sure what this is, but we'll come over tomorrow. Check this all out. Here they are building the arena. Very cool. There's starting line over there. Just moving a lot of dirt around. We'll see more of this tomorrow. Would you look at this mother? It's a family tradition is what it says. Look at that thing. Holy smoke. Jeez, man. It's awesome. But that's badass. Although with all them chains, he might actually tear this thing up in the mud, ain't it? All right, setup day is over. We'll see you tomorrow.